Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell to receive all notifications. Hey guys, love, peace, and happiness here with a Influenster box. If you're unfamiliar with Influenster, I'll leave everything in the description box. It is a free site for a product, and you take a small survey and it matches you with a product as long as you do an honest review on social media as they require. And they have an app. If you go under my link, it will take you directly there. So I received today a Dior Forever 24-hour skincare matte foundation with an SPF of 35. It creates a flawless and even complexion with tighter looking pores from morning until night. And it is a medium to full coverage. It's a velvety matte finish. The wear is 24 hours, again, SPF 35, and it is available in 28 shades. So the shade that I have is a 2W that they had hand selected for me, which is, it looks dark when I first apply it in this video, but once I smoothed it out and blended it out with my damp beauty blender, it was fine, and it was pretty amazing. It went on my hand wonderful, and I couldn't have asked for a better selection, especially for the foundation. I'm very excited to try this on my face. I can't attest to how it wears on the face, but I will do a video and I will show you. And this is what it looks like. What I like about this, it's a glass jar. It has a pump, thank God, which is wonderful. I don't know why it is, but most foundations do not come in pump. And when they do, it's a bonus. So you'll see it coming out. It's not runny. The consistency is good. It stays on the skin. And I'm just going to show you how, see how it looks a lot different than my own skin. And it really is a little bit darker, maybe a lot darker. But see how once I blend that in, how nice and velvety and matte, it's exactly what it says. It looks like it's gonna be awesome. So I'll have to do a video and show you actually what I think of it. And again, this was free as long as I do a review, and I have gotten several boxes already from them. It's an awesome site. If you're not part of it, there is absolutely nothing as far as money that you're going to need or anything, just a good social media account that you can do some reviews on. And this is a different light angle here. That way you can see what it looks like on my skin where I applied it. And this is the box itself, everything it came in, a little paper explaining the foundation, the box it came in, and the foundation itself. And so if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.